In this video, I am going to show you how to make a sticky header in Elementor. Right now, you may have a header on your website that disappears when you scroll down the page because it is provided by your theme. To make it sticky so it always remains visible at the top, you need to create a new header from scratch. Don't worry, you don't need Elementor Pro. I will show you how to do it using free plugins. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins on the left-hand side, and click on Add Plugin. On the top right-hand corner of the screen, type Elements Kit in the search box. From the results, install the plugin called Elements Kit Elementor Add-ons and Templates. And once it's done, click Activate. Now, again go to Add Plugin and in the search box type Sticky Header. From the results, install the plugin Sticky Header Effects for Elementor. Once installed, click Activate to enable it. After both plugins are active, you will see Elements Kit appear in your left-hand menu. Hover over it and click on Header and Footer. Inside this section, click on Header and then click on Add New Template. Type a name for your header, enable the toggle, and then click Save Changes. Now select your header from the list and click Edit Content. You may need to click twice, and then you will be taken into the Elementor editor. Here you can design your header from scratch, or you can use ready-made templates. To use one, click on the Templates icon provided by the plugin, switch to the Sections tab, and choose Header from the category drop-down. A variety of header templates will appear. Hover over any one of them and click Insert. The template will load, and you can edit it as you wish, changing the logo, adjusting text, or removing and adding sections. When you are ready to make it sticky, select the container that holds your header. On the left-hand side menu, click Advanced, then scroll down until you see the Sticky Header Effects option. Expand it and toggle Enable to turn it on. Once done, click Publish at the top right corner. Finally, open your website in a new tab and refresh the page. You will now see your newly created header applied. As you scroll down the site, the header will stay visible at the top of the screen without disappearing. And this is how you can create a sticky header in Elementor.